not all fish oil is the same. Most fish oil manufacturers prioritize profitability over quality, and they end up using farm-raised fish, raised in confined areas, which creates much higher levels of toxins than ocean fish. In fact, the toxic residues in farm-raised fish can be significantly higher than the amount found in ocean water. See, these fish are overcrowded, and this leads to disease and injuries to the fish. The fish are then given antibiotics and chemicals for parasites like sea lice and skin and gill infections, and other diseases that are also a negative result of overcrowding. To make matters worse, these fish are also given drugs and hormones, and sometimes are genetically modified to accelerate their growth and change the way they reproduce. Knowing all this, sure, you can go down to the local store and you can get fish oil, but I wouldn't. And even if you find a fish oil made from ocean fish, you still aren't guaranteed safety from pollutants and toxicity. Many are made from multiple sources of large fish, such as whale blubber, which are very high in toxins. You see, our oceans have also been polluted, leaving the ocean fish full of chemicals as well, which means lead, mercury, PCBs, and environmental toxins are in the oil. Well, fish oil manufacturers have to deal with this, right? Because they're not good for you. So they purify them, and they often purify it with chemicals like hexene, which is a petroleum derivative. Well, what happens? Governing officials allow a little bit of that residue to be present as a trade-off for the removal of heavy metals. Well, this residual hexene in most fish oil supplements can accumulate over time and cause considerable damage to our nervous systems. Knowing how important it is to find a clean source of omegas, we use only pristine omega-3 fish oil from small fish like sardines and anchovies from the Peruvian coast that haven't had time to accumulate much mercury in their tissues, unlike large fish. Our fish oil comes from the only manufacturer in the world who has a patented, unique, low-temperature drying enzyme fermentation purification process, which ensures that the delicate anti-inflammatory properties are not only kept fully intact, but yields a superior product that is tasteless, odorless, with no unpleasant digestive after effects, all of the good and none of the bad.